Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back to another day of day trading. So let's go straight to the watch list. Today I got actually Rivn, which I just got triggered into. I had this level at 118. 118 previous day high. I actually got to be very careful now. I might, because I didn't want to get in the pre-market, so now just got to watch this. But just to let you know, I got PFE as well. I got PFE, which is Pfizer, on watch list. I got a level there at 52.85. 52.85 that I want to get long at. Yeah, here, so I'm short at Rivn 118. We'll stop at 118.51. I just gotta be very careful because the catalyst on this stock is that it won Motor Trend Truck of the Year. That's why I gotta be super careful right now. So if it jumps, I gotta cover. I didn't want to get into this one in the pre-market, but unfortunately it just popped up, heavy volume. So I gotta be careful. Actually, I might get out of this trade because I didn't want to get in the pre-market. Let's see, just give it a second. See if this 118 level holds. A lot of volumes coming in. Looks like it's gonna break, so let's give it a chance though. Alright, I just got out of it. Unfortunately, that's a 1.5 R loss. 1.5 R loss. That's a bad way to start off a Monday, but it is what it is. I had a plan, executed my plan. So now I'm actually interested for the long, but I'll wait for the market to open. See if it settles down a bit, or is this a fake breakout and try to slam back down. So we'll see. We'll see. That's the way trading goes sometimes. So I'm going to turn my attention to PFE over here. And I got Rivn on the other side. So PFE, I'm interested in a long over here at 52.85. So this one I'm going to manage it as the market opens. See, it looks like Rivn is slamming back down. Maybe I should have had a wider stop that one. Just to show you guys, Rivn is starting to come back down. Maybe I should have had a wider stop, but it's okay. It is what it is. Part of trading. Can't win every single trade. I think I double checked my stats. Last 2 weeks I have like a 67% win rate, which is extremely high. But actually I'm trying to lower that win rate, which is kind of weird, in order to get a higher win ratio. We'll see how it goes. I'm tempted to go back into short with Rivn right now, but I'm gonna wait for the market to open. See if there's some kind of panic buying in Rivn and then short the pop. We'll see. Ladder is kind of bearish. Some orders at 119, however, 120. Okay, let's see. Let's focus on PFE now. Okay, market seems to be taking a hit right now. I see the Qs dropping like crazy. So the Rivn short still might be in play. I got Rivn on the other side right now. It's a big pop for PFE. Unfortunately, it went in the pre-market again. Let's keep an eye on Rivn and PFE right now. Alright. See the ladder on the Rivn seems more on the bearish side, so I'm going to set up the short on Rivn. Set the short on Rivn. Let's see if it wants to drop back down. Okay, PFE already went, so I was long bias on PFE, but it already went. Okay, Rivn just went up to the upside, so it's okay. No big deal so far. It's unfortunate I didn't get into PFE a little earlier, but they're exploding. Let's see, Airbnb. I have an alert on for Airbnb for higher up. I have Lucid on my secondary. Lucid, that's a big drop for Lucid. So I'll be surprised if Rivn continues this uptrend, but it has a lot of bids at 120. So Rivn is popping up and is holding this level up. Let's see what it got. Let's see if there's any strength in this catalyst. A lot of strength right now. Buyer stepping back in for a Lucid. Yeah, I'm not gonna go chase anything. If I'm down 1.5R for the day, I'm okay with that. I try to keep my losers small, relatively small. So Rivn is still going. Yeah, level 2 had a very bullish level 2. Had a strong ladder to the upside. So I'm gonna keep that as is right now. See that? A lot of ask. I wanted to flip this, but it kind of happened too fast. Let's check back on PFE. PFE is still strong. Airbnb. See, Lucid is holding. Very choppy though, Lucid. Let's see, Apple. Apple might be a short at this level, 182. 182. See how bearish the ladder is? This might be a 1 minute open range breakdown actually. Okay. Check it out first. Give it some time. Don't rush into anything right now. Okay, that's a very bearish ladder. So let's give that a shot. Does go below 180. Okay, I don't like that pop. Let's see. Rivn is starting to have some resistance at 121. PFE is still on going onto the upside. Okay, now let's see if we can get this short. See if we can get this short on Apple. For 5 minute open range breakdown. Ladder is very weak. See if it wants to break this 180 level. Very nice. Big drop. Let's give it some time to work. Should be able to go down to this previous day high, which is 170, 176, 179, 74. 179.74. See if it wants to get down there. The ladder was very bearish, so let's give it a chance. It's very choppy. I'm gonna get out of it because it's very choppy. Give it a chance though. Just give it a chance, give it a chance. Very choppy. Let's see if he wants to go a little bit more. A lot of buyers down there at 180.3. I got pushed back up twice now, so yeah, I got pushed back up twice. So I'm gonna cut it right there for 0.5 hour loss. So I saved myself 0.5 over there. I think that's it for me, guys. I'm down 2R. Kept my losses small. That's part of my trading. It's all good. Minus 0.2. I executed my plan. I had a bearish ladder, so I went short. It might still be a short, but I don't want to jump in left and right. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. But still, it might bounce back from this level again. Oh boy. That's the frustrating part with day trading. Sometimes you get the read right, but just the execution, or for whatever reason you get out of the trade. But at least my read that there is some buyers down here is correct. So I do feel like this will go down. Strong buying. Oh, big time rejection on Rivn at 121. 121.3. Very strong, so I'm not going to short this. Airbnb have an alert up here at 186, but it doesn't seem to want to go back up there. So my only mistake today, I'm okay with this short. This is a 0.5 hour loss, which is fine. Is this over here? This was a 1.5 hour loss, but the only thing is that I should have flipped this one to the long side. Yeah, I had enough time to set it up to put a stop around here, let's say this candle, and get in over here for the flip. So that was my, well, one mistake, which is okay. One mistake is fine. See, I had a feeling this was gonna happen. Stop over here. That's why I was okay with this short. I'm not sure about my stop though. My stop was probably a little too tight. I think I would have been able to hold it if it was up here maybe. I think my stop was right here. I think I would have got stopped up over here. But now it has no chance. Now it's just going to go to 179.75. And it might even continue down on that. If it breaks this 179, it's just going to continue going down. Now I'm just looking at it, see if it's going to reach my target 179.75. Not so mad about it, you know. That's part of trading sometimes, just the way it goes. Just want to make sure my general reads on the market is still correct, which means that I still, every day that I participate in the market, I have a chance of winning. So look at that drop. Beautiful. Beautiful drop. I'm thinking when it came back over here, I contemplated getting in over here. Maybe I should have put a stop here and try to enter around here. Now it has no chance. I don't see how it cannot get close to this previous day high level. I really don't see it. Really don't see how it's gonna not at least come close to this level. Look at that ladder. There you go. Would have hit my target. That would have been a nice win. All good. I'll get it back, right? I mean, the way it is. As long as I'm reading it right, I don't usually get frustrated too much, because as long as I know my reads are okay, my strategies are working, I have a little bit execution error, those are things that I can work on, I can improve. But as long as my general ideas are working, I'm okay with a loss in the day. This one was okay. I want to get it around here. Came back, but it shot straight back up. So that's okay. It was right being bullish on this stock. It was that was okay. Rivn, I should have flipped over here. When this short didn't work, got back up, cover it, fine. Wait for the market to open, flip long over here. That would have been a nice flip long. That was my only mistake, I would say. It's not flipping long. Well, I guess you can argue that Apple got out, my stop was too tight. That was another mistake, but I'm still not too mad over 0.5 hour loss. Lucid is developing a very, very bullish ladder, L2 ladder. It's arriving at a very key level here at the $40 level. See if there's any bids. See, there's nothing much above 40, so yeah, it makes sense to short over here. I can see why people would short at 40. The people that got long over here are probably covering at 40. Well, that's it for me, guys. It's 9:43. I don't usually trade much longer than this. I trade it open. Like sometimes I go up to 10, but I tend not to trade much more than this. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.